Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you this tower fan with remote control. It was contacted by this company right there if they asked me if I can take a look at their product. So, here it is. As you see, I brought this at Costco for free. Has 4 speeds, ultra quiet, oscillation, 15-hour timer. That's nice. Automatic shut off and 3 modes. Includes remote control with battery. DL powered by Duracell. Get only Duracell batteries. CR2032 when it runs out. And it says convenient remote control storage. Perfect for bedroom, basement, office, family room, garage, and more. Accessories are not included. Oh. Says same thing. Okay, this one has ultra quiet, automatic shut off, 3 modes, standard, evening, breeze, oscillation, 15-hour timer, 4 speeds, includes remote control with battery, and that's it. So let me go ahead and open it up. Here goes opening up the package. I'm gonna pause the video while opening it up. Now, the moment we've been waiting for, the tower fan. Here it is. Pretty basic. Okay, let's see what else it comes with. Let me set this aside for here. It's very long. Let's see what it comes with. Oh, it comes with this. I think it's just to protect the shell, I think. Save for those later. Accessories. Alright, I grabbed the accessories out. It comes with this. It's a stand to assemble the base of the fan. Instruction booklet. And you get a remote control. Let me take this out to see how the remote control is. And there's 3 screws. I don't know what it's secured for. Let's take it out. Oh, 4 screws. Maybe that's for assembling the base. Remote control. That is beautiful. Let me get it out of here. There we go. Here it is, the remote control. And let's take a look at the fan itself. Let me go ahead and take it out. Yeah, let me go ahead and take it out. Oh, that's wrapping paper or wrapping sleeve. Well, I don't know what kind of wrapping paper that is called. Here's our giant fan. Pretty long. Let me get some more light going in here. Let me find a, what do we got in here? I'll use a flashlight instead. Okay, so, oh, it's not that very bright. Okay, 1 second. Let me grab a little light here. Unfortunately, guys, I have to use the daylight color. So, let's turn this one on. Oh, pink and vivid. Okay. Here's the fan. As you see, it has blades on it. Here's where you assemble the mounting hardware. There's your AC plug. Okay, let me go ahead and assemble this and put the screws on, and we will finally plug it in to test it out. I got this plugged in now. I got it all assembled. And I just heard a beep. When you plug it in, you're going to hear that little beep sound to indicate it's on. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the remote. Take the tab off. Peel any plastic off the remote. Plastic. There we go. Take the plastic off and let me go ahead and turn it on real quick. You can adjust the fan settings. Like high for the best results. And it's pretty powerful. If you don't put it like this, you put the breeze options to night mode. And you got this, which slows the fan down. So I set it like this. and you got the little oscillation button. What that oscillation button is, it goes like this. That kind of blew my box. But there we go, it just blew. And you can just stop the oscillation anytime. Got a little timer option, so you can set it for 1, 2, 4, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, or 15 hours. All lights. And if you want to just shut it off, just press the power button again. Oh wait, oh, timer? Okay, let me press the power button. It's in the middle this time, so. This turns off. You hear a beep. That's indicating that the fan's turning off. Or you can do it to the button as well. Like that. So, anyway, since this was my final review and conclusion of this fan, I recommend you buy it. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed this video of my Cascade tower fan with remote. And also, please comment, rate, share, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.